Are you a beginner gamer looking to make money while doing what you love? Well, you're in luck, because today I'm going to share some valuable tips with you. First and foremost, focus on building your skills and becoming the best gamer you can be. Next, consider streaming your gameplay on platforms like Twitch or YouTube to attract an audience. Don't forget to engage with your viewers and create a community around your channel. Another great way to make money gaming is by participating in online tournaments and competitions. Don't be afraid to join gaming leagues and teams to improve your chances of winning. Additionally, you can monetize your gaming content by becoming an affiliate with gaming companies. Sponsorship deals with brands are another excellent opportunity to generate income through gaming. You can also explore the world of game testing and provide valuable feedback to game developers. Consider creating and selling merchandise related to your gaming brand to your fans and followers. Remember to always stay consistent with your content and engage with your audience on social media. As you gain more experience and followers, you can collaborate with other gamers and content creators. Start building your personal brand by creating a unique and memorable gaming username and logo. Invest in quality gaming equipment to enhance your skills and create top-notch content. Don't underestimate the power of networking and building relationships within the gaming community. Whether it's through gaming forums, Discord servers, or local gaming events, connections can open doors. Consider diversifying your income streams by exploring opportunities like game coaching or tutorial creation. Always stay up to date with the latest trends and games to keep your content fresh and engaging. Utilize social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook to promote your gaming content. Don't underestimate the importance of thumbnails and titles. They can make or break your video's success. Remember that success in the gaming industry takes time and dedication, so don't get discouraged. Experiment with different types of gaming content to discover what resonates best with your audience. Take advantage of the analytics provided by platforms like YouTube to understand your viewers better. Seek feedback from your audience and use it to continuously improve your content and strategies. Consider creating a Patreon or Ko-Fi page to allow your viewers to support you financially. Don't forget to take breaks and care for your mental and physical well-being. Burnout is real. Remember that every successful gamer started as a beginner, so believe in yourself and keep pushing forward. There you have it, some valuable tips for beginners looking to make money gaming. Now go out there, have fun, and start monetizing your passion for gaming.